pansit kasi ano, this one. Sige po. Meron po kami coin po doon. You may sit down. Yeah, you have pork, right? You have pork? May pork na siya, ba? You don't have pork?
Ito yung ano namin. Tent.
Take care. Enjoy your food, okay?
Celebrating 127 anniversary ng Independence Day. At time check is maybe 11 o'clock na at wala pang hindi pa nag-uumpisa. At yan ang mga kanya-kanyang mga organization. May mga tent. At mayroon din mga private ano sila dito, private company gaya niya Europa Coffee. Mga foreigner. Ito yung mga pamimigay naming mga pagkain. Ito na pala yung parade ng 127 anniversary ng Independence Day dito sa Montreal. At sila ay naghahanda na silang mamarsa around lang dito siguro sa may dito. Hindi natin alam kung saan ang at nandito rin pala si House Father, ang representative ng Parliament dito sa may dito coordinates. At nandyan din si representative na si Miss Valenzuela.
Last time, I think 2 years ago, it was so fucking hot here. There was a heat wave. A couple people passed out. No joke, man. Now it's not bad.
Medyo doon tayo banda doon sa may maliwanag. Yan.
Let's wait for the others to come in before starting with our national anthems.
We are ready. I would like to request non-associations members, associations, Filipinos, non-Filipinos, if you wish to join the parade of colors, please do so. This is the celebration of the 127th anniversary of the Philippine independence. Mabuhay Pilipinas! And now, let us welcome the Executive Board Member of the Council of Canadian Filipino Association of Quebec, Sir Dario Boco, the President. Along with the Member of the Parliament, let us welcome Honorable Anthony House Father. The Councilor of the Darlington District, let us welcome Stephanie Valenzuela. And last but not least, let us welcome the Councilor of Coordinates and Digi District, Honorable Sammy Moros. District. Yeah. with Sunny. And now let us welcome all the recruiters from the Eyes of Rizal, Notre Dame de Grâce chapter, Montreal, Canada. And I have a compare here, Sir Tito Castro. And now let us welcome the Eyes of Rizal, Nodong chapter, Canada. And now let us welcome Council of the Canadian Filipino Association of Quebec Executive Board. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Kababaihang Rizalista, Montreal, Quebec chapter. And now let us recognize the presence of the Filipino Heritage Society of Montreal under the leadership of Madam Pereno, Abi Manolo, Mr. Ann Abdul, and the ladies, of course, Golden Maid. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the presence of Diva Zada Bagyo Ikugaw, David Ayaw Kalina. Yeah!
Make it louder. We didn't hear our name, actually.
Once again, let us welcome Biba. And now, let us welcome Acro Skeptron Fraternity. And yes, yeah, Jojo Lau is here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome, of course, my fraternity, Alpha Phi Omega de Montreal, number 390. With the President, Cybel Delorier. And now, let us welcome and recognize Philcon Jazz and Social Club. With the President, Manny Lagasca. Let us welcome Peace Asia Pacific International Canada 2025. Naomi Chalander. Wow. the Association of Filipino Seniors of Montreal. Filipino Association of Montreal and Suburbs. Gandang Lola Queen 2024, let us welcome Sir James De La Paz, the founder, is here. Let us welcome the founder, Sir James De La Paz. And now, let us welcome Mrs. Thomas 2024, Madam Alma Tabiana. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Summer and Lady Association of Canada. Yeah, what's up? And now, last but not the least, let us welcome Mount Carmel Filipino Seventh-day Adventist Church. Welcome. And this is live from Montreal.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are waiting the arrival of the other participants.
Dumating na yung kanyon. Ayan o. Si General MacArthur. Punta tayo doon sa likod. Ano? Ayan yung kanyo AK-47. Ano to? 5th Infantry Battalion, Philippine Army, nakabase sa Basilan, Pulusulo. Diyan nila iharap para pagpaputok mamaya walang matamaan. Seatings na nila sa 195 miles. Mga ilang bala kaya nga dinala nila. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga itsura ng mga dito, military tactic. Eh pag Pilipino yan, talaga all clear or clean. First putok. Siguro isang unang putok to. Tignan natin kung paano kalabitin yung ano, kanyon. Mabuhay! Thank you. Sikan putok. Isinabay pala sa ano, pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Ah, suyot. Suyot. Kalakas eh. Parang kinakanyon na yung ano, Iran. Mas malakas pa. Nakakabingay. Ilang bala kaya yan? Nakabingi din ah. Wala na. Merci beaucoup.
James, see you next year.
Tapos na ang paputok. Ay, tapos na yung paputok.
Lakas eh, no? Lakas eh.
Ayun yung mga magigiting na ano, veteran. Veterano.